I was hoping to do one shot per second, but I failed. I did only 20.
The first question is, what is the EU doing to help with sustaining coral reefs in Malaysia?
Well, we have to be partners in that. We do a small project, 1 million euros, 5 million of Centona. We try to preserve the unique marine ecosystem. We are trying to prevent fish bombing. We are trying to fight against the bleaching of the coral, and also, and I think this is the most important, try to recultivate giant clams by empowering the local community and the indigenous community to work in this project, so doing eco work instead of other works that they are more polluting or creating waste which is detrimental to the marine life.
If you could get every Malaysian to do one simple thing for our reefs today, what would it be?
I would ask, first of all, every Malaysian who is around Sunway Pyramid to come and contribute, donate. It's just 2 ringgit. Go ahead, use some hoops. This is awareness. They contribute directly, but more importantly, they need to take this to heart. Everybody can contribute by putting pressure to the government to do more, and by initiating debate in the community to discuss more and what it needs to be done.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Can I just ask you one more thing?
Hi guys, boys and girls. We are here at Sunway Pyramid. There is Hoops for Reefs charity donation coming ahead in order to preserve the pristine ecosystem, marine ecosystem in Malaysia. So please come along, play, contribute, 2 ringgit it costs, do some hoops, and be the savior of Malaysia's unique marine ecosystem. Okay? What my next How are you? Yes, successful event.